guys. It is Thursday, May 21st, and we're going to go ahead and go over our comprehension check for today, okay? And this is about Memorial Day, so we'll go ahead and read the passage and then go over the questions. Memorial Day is a national holiday in the United States. On the last Monday in May, we observe Memorial Day. Memorial Day is a special day to remember and honor the men and women who have lost their lives in defending our country. It is because of their willingness to give their life for our country that we can live in a land that is free. On Memorial Day, many people put flowers and flags on graves of friends and relatives who have died in service. It is a week to remember and honor those who have served. Okay? So our questions for today are, when do we observe Memorial Day? So with a red crayon, if you have one, you can find the information and then you'll write the answer over here. Who do we honor on Memorial Day? Orange crayon, find the information, write it over here. What two things do we put on graves? If you got a yellow crayon, find the information, write it over here. Write and highlight three nouns from the passage with green. Remember, nouns are like a person, a place, a thing, or an animal, okay? So find those, circle them or highlight them, and then you can write those words over here. And what would be a good title for this passage, okay? What might be a good title for it to tell about what this passage is about? So go ahead, pause your video to do your work, and when you come back, we'll go over the answers. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go over the answers for our Comprehension Check 11 that we are working on for Memorial Day. Okay, so the first question was, when do we observe Memorial Day? So over here in red, I underline on the last Monday in May, we observe Memorial Day. So I said, we observe Memorial Day on the last Monday in May, okay? Who do we honor on Memorial Day? In orange. Over here it says, to remember and honor the men and women who have lost their lives in defending our country. So over here I said, we honor the men and women who died defending our country. I changed it a little bit just so that I would have room to fit it on these lines here, okay? What two things do we put on graves? So it said many people put flowers and flags on graves. So I said we put flowers and flags on graves. Write and highlight three nouns from the passage. We had lots of nouns in here. And there's even more that I did not circle, but holiday, men, women, country, land, flowers, flags, graves, weekend, people would be another one. Lots of different nouns in there. What would be a good title for the passage? A good title might be all about Memorial Day, and really anything that you had that has said something about Memorial Day would be a great title. So here are your answers for the Comprehension Check number 11. Good job, everyone.